Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Geography 6th Standard 4th lesson, that is weather and climate. So when we hear what is the chapter name, weather and climate, definitely question will arise in your mind that what is weather and what is climate. These are nature's creations. Weather is the conditions of the atmosphere at a given time and place. So here is example via image shown to you. And what is climate? Climate is the prevailing weather conditions in a region over a long period of time. So this is a short doubts clarity to you. So climate is different and weather is different. In short, we can say the weather is the condition of the atmosphere over a short period of time. Means weather, we can define it as a condition of the atmosphere. Because of the atmosphere it happens. It may be hot, sunny, rainy, cool or icy. And what is climate? It is different. Climate is average weather of a place over a period of many years. Means deserts in Gujarat or Rajasthan, we see climate hot, that it can't change. To better understanding, I make over here difference between weather and climate. Weather can change within a few minutes or hours, but climate takes very long time to change itself. I hope now you understand the difference. Okay? Suppose you wake up early in the morning and see that the weather is very cool and in afternoon it is very hot. So that is weather. And we see the climate of Mumbai or the climate of Gujarat or the climate of Kashmir is different. It can't change every minute. Standing, I give here example. I got weather, really bad weather yesterday. That is example. Many parts of Africa have harsh climate. It is about climate. Then next example. She miss cool climate of southern Wales. Now we will move towards the page number 19, weather and climate lesson. Before starting lesson, can you tell here on the page number 19, the weather conditions of a few places in India are as follows on 10th June is given. We are going to observe the table of cities, places, states, time and weather and give 3 questions answers. I write here answer also for your understanding. You can stop videos and see and mark it in your notebook. So afterward we can see here weather and climate conditions. According to that, some questions we can observe the weather condition of Delhi, and I hope we all observe daily conditions in day. According to that, we are going to give answer of some questions. So here are the questions. You can write its answer according to your point of view. I think here on the page number 19, 6 questions are given. It is here in video. You can stop video and write your own answers in your notebook. We all always experience atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at a given time. We often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. This is what we call weather. So we are all living on earth. Around our earth there is sun. and one layer of atmosphere that we call weather. So, weather may be hot, cool, dry, or sultry, etc. So, it can change in day, in hours also. So, since our childhood also, we have experienced summers, rainy seasons, and winters. On that basis, you are going to experience everything. So you are going to write 4 questions answer on page number 20 in your. It's too easy to write. That's why I don't mention over here. So in which season you wear which clothes, it is like that question. Climate is the prevailing weather conditions in a region over a long period of time. So we have noticed each seasons last for a particular period and each season occurs at a particular time of the year. So the scientists observe the weather in a region for many years. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather conditions. The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate of that region. So, climate is generally explained cool and dry, or hot and humid, or hot and dry. The weather changes quite often due to changes in temperature, winds, and humidity. We'll always experience changes in it. So, a sum total of all these elements. There are some factors which influence climate, that are wind, humidity, and temperature. So, these changes climate or atmospheric pressure. Now, next important point we are going to see, that is elements of weather: temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitation. These are the elements of weather. Because of it, we can observe. We all know that we are living on Earth's surface. It gets heat. It creates atmosphere. As a result, the air close to the surface starts becoming hot, and later, one by one, different layers of air at higher elevation receive heat. Therefore, as we move upward from sea level, the temperature of air decreases, and the temperature also goes on decreasing from the equator towards both poles. Second is air pressure. We are going to make use of these elements. Air pressure. Air has weight. As a result, it creates pressure. It is called air pressure. Air pressure is weighted in pressure on area, that is Pascal, that is PA. So, the density of the lower layers of air increases. There is a greater air pressure near the surface of the earth, and it decreases with increasing height. This is vertical air pressure. Third element is winds. Air starts moving from high pressure towards low pressure areas in a horizontal direction. This moving air is called wind. Wind blows from low pressure, high pressure to low pressure areas, and its speeds depends on the amount of difference in air pressure. Then fourth one is moisture. The atmosphere contains vapor. The air that has greater amount of vapor is called humid air. The humidity in the atmosphere is called moisture. The proportion of moisture in the atmosphere depends on temperature. Air with higher temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. Here, picture shows that this is called moisture. The humidity in the atmosphere is called moisture. So, obviously we can see it in the morning. Fifth and last element of weather, it is precipitation. Vapor in atmosphere condense into water droplets or snow particles. Their showering on the earth is called precipitation. Rainfall, snowfall, hailstorm are forms of precipitation. Thus, we can see the elements of weather. It is described on the basis of the conditions prevailing at the given time, while climate is described on the basis of conditions. So, latitudinal position, height above sea level, nearness to ocean, oceanic currents, etc., are the factors that influence climate. Besides this, mountain ranges, types of land, local winds are other factors that influence in the climate of a region. So, we can say that changes in the climate take place over a long period of time. These are not perceived easily. So, weather keeps changing frequently and we can experience the changes easily, but not climate's change we see. Thus, we can cover this portion, this lesson, and in next chapter we shall see more information about temperature. So students, I know that you understand this very nicely. The climate affects the entire living world in different ways. Life mostly thrives in regions which have a conducive climate. The climate also influence the diet, shelter, etc. of living things. The distribution of water on the earth is also controlling factor of the climate. Thus, we have finished this lesson. Now, in next video, we will solve exercise of this lesson. So, keep learning, write and read this weather and climate difference in your own word. I know you can write it. Bye bye.